Hello friends, I hope you all are doing absolutely well. Currently, I am with past branch chairman of Aurangabad. I have requested him for an interview with a confused student right now. I have received various messages from the students across India, from our YouTube family and our Instagram family regarding sir what should we do regarding the attempt? Should we attempt in August or should we go in November exam? So, a branch chairman, a person who is connected with the institute from so long, and the person who is connected with the students from so long in Aurangabad can answer these questions very nicely and accurately. So, there are some questions, sir, regarding the exams. As you know, there is very tense situation from so many days. Various chartered accountants on YouTube are posting that the exam should go in November, and there was trending hashtag on Twitter also that postponement of exam till November. So, sir, what are your views regarding the postponement of the exam? So, few days back, I was with you in Zee 24 Taas regarding the interview. Your emphasis was on taking exam in November, and the situation right now is not valid in some areas in India to take the exam. So, what are your views regarding the decision and the call of the institute?
The institute took a decision that the students who wish to appear for July exam can wish, and students who don't want to wish for July exams can opt out. So this, I think, is a decision taken by the institute considering the request from students which are either in favor of taking examination or against taking examination. So I think institute has taken a balanced view, and the ball is being shifted to the court of students that whether he or she opts to attempt or he or she does not want to attempt.
Yes, sir.
So in my opinion, this is a balanced decision taken by the institute. Although few days back I was strongly against taking attempt considering the COVID-19 critical situation in various parts of the country. So now today, if institute has taken a decision, so lots of research must have been done by the institute. It's not like that institute is going to take decision at the whims and fancy. Institute is going to take decision, a balanced view, a decision based on research rather than impulsive decision taken by the institute.
According to you, the institute will take maximum care to safeguard the student from the virus, and the sanitization process and everything will be done accurately by the institute. And as the sir have said to us that the ball is in the students' court. So if you want to give the exams in July, August, or if you want to give in November, the institute have extended everything regarding the exemptions, regarding the old course, and everything that was confusion regarding the students' examination. So various students have messaged me. They are comparing themselves with the other students. They think that missing one attempt is a great deal before becoming a CA. Means if they miss this attempt, they will earn 5-6 lakhs less, or if their friend passes early and they pass in the next attempt, looking at the situation. So what are your views regarding the attempts? Because no one can speak very well regarding attempts rather than you to the students. So you can.
Aniket, I just want to tell every student that no doubt clearing your examination at very first attempt is something very good. No, there is no ambiguity about that. But failing does not mean end. And in my personal opinion, nobody appears to fail the examination. Everyone tries, everyone gives his 100% to clear the examinations only. Somehow a student passes and the another one fails. Does it mean end? No, it does not mean end. I personally can say that I appeared 3 times in CA Foundation examination, failed. I cleared my IPCC after 5 attempts. I cleared my CA final after 6 attempts. So I am a person who appeared, almost gave 14 attempts. So I don't think it's like it's not end of your life. and hence our profession calls it as attempt rather than pass or fail.
Okay. So sir have successfully and very impactfully told us that the attempts doesn't matter while giving the examination, and don't compare yourself with the students who are giving right now in the August. You analyze your situation around you. Like we are living in Aurangabad and the situation every day is getting worse and worse. As I said in my earlier video, every day 100 to 200 patients are coming up with the COVID positive, and various centers in Aurangabad are isolation wards where the patients are residing, where the people coming from the other cities are residing, other countries are residing, and various students are confused whether we can go there or not. Sir, every parent is confused regarding does their child go for the exam or not, because as you know the CA exam needs a very hard preparation, and the students are doing preparation from 2 to 3 months, and every student will like to go for the exam. हर एक स्टूडेंट जाना चाहेगा सर एग्जाम देने के लिए, बट सिचुएशंस किसी किसी के ऐसी रहेगी कि किधर वो जा नहीं पाएंगे, या उस शहर में बहुत ज्यादा पेशेंट्स बढ़ चुके होंगे, या उस एरिया में बहुत ज्यादा पेशेंट्स बढ़ चुके होंगे, या किसी किसी के घर में ही कोविड पॉजिटिव पेशेंट आएगा. तो उस सिचुएशन में स्टूडेंट ने क्या सोचना चाहिए, मतलब उसमें सिचुएशन में पैनिक होना चाहिए, या वी हैव टू स्टे calm and we have to study and give attempt in November?
In no situation you students need to be panic. You have to focus on your preparations, and whether to appear or not is purely your call considering the situations which are taking place around you. Whether the center which you are appearing is in containment zone, then you cannot appear. Whether the area where you live is a containment zone, you cannot appear. So in my opinion, the call has to be taken by a student, cannot say on or before 20th June. If a containment zone comes into existence exactly on the day of exam, what will happen? So the call has to be taken entirely by the student, and let me tell you very clearly, I just spoke with a central council member. He said that they are preparing themselves to deal with containment zone also. The students residing in containment zone, the centers in containment zone, examination center. So institute is taking care of sanitation, institute is taking care of containment zone, institute is taking care of thermal gun, thermal checking, and social distancing. Means I can definitely say that our examination already follows social distancing. Only one student sits on one bench. So it is not entirely precisely as per the prescribed norms of social distancing, but on a lighter note, one can say we follow social distancing. So institute is taking utmost care. Now the ball is in the court of students whether to appear or not to appear. Because institute has clearly mentioned that whether there is a single student, institute is going to conduct the examinations. So there is no ambiguity. And one more thing I would like to say, that institute is going to reassess the situation in the month of July. This is what I think. This is not any office bearer or torch bearer told me. But in my opinion, because institute is taking utmost care, we have seen that. They postpone examination twice. They are taking call in the best interest of the students. So it's fine. Let institute take call, and we need to take call on the basis of our own situation.
So as the sir said that the institute is taking best decision in the favor of students, the situation which can be reassessed in July according to sir, and the student have to reassess their situation according to their condition, according to their surrounding, and according to their city. Means if you were in the present condition as a student in a CA final, अगर आज CA final में होते, आपका both group बचा होता, and the situation, you are living in Aurangabad right now and you know the situation. So आपका कॉल क्या होता है एज अ स्टूडेंट? मतलब अभी आपका पढ़ाई हो चुका है, आप सब मेहनत करके बैठ चुके हो, आप अभी 17 जून we have to opt online regarding the exams, and it's too early. Within 2 to 3 days we have to think very deep that we have to attempt or we have to go in November. So as a CA, afterwards and before being a student in your lifetime, so आपका क्या एक व्यू रहेगा स्टूडेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से लेके?
Given this situation, I would have definitely opted out of the examination. Reason being, because the situation is not going to normalcy at the earliest, and how much risk one is going to take, one has to take call. One has to take call according to the risk appetite of every individual. So for me, as I am a very clear-headed person, I take either or decision in my life. I am never into the confused state of mind. So I would have opted out for the examination straight away. I wouldn't have even given a thought for this.
Okay.
I would have opted for the
Exam.
opted out for the examinations, no doubt. I would have preferred November attempt instead of the risk content July August attempt.
मतलब सर आपने नवंबर में पेपर दिया होता, ऐसा आपका बोलना है. मतलब अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिचुएशन इन औरंगाबाद ही इज टेलिंग यू द डिसीजन दैट ही विल मेक बिकॉज द सिचुएशंस आउट आर वेरी क्रिटिकल एंड वी डोंट नो हाउ वर्स दे आर गोइंग टू गेट और हाउ अर्ली they are going to be solved, because sir, recently on ICMR some institute has told that in November the cases will again go high, so the decision taken by institute is in the best interest. So as you told that the risk taking ability should also be there in every student, and you have to think according to his condition and the preparation he
I
have
would like to add one point to this. If institute have conducted this attempt in the month of May, then cases were at relatively lesser cases there in the month of May as compared to June.
Yes.
Now you think the condition of July. Now the June cases are around 3 lakh. What will happen in the month of July? So one may think that had institute conducted examination in the May, then situation would have been definitely better. So institute took a very good decision by postponing in the month of May. Then again next postponement will come in the month of July. So now institute has done lots of research to conduct this examination. And after that research, the institute has come up with this unique proposal to opt out or to appear.
Yeah. Various students in various videos has commented that is it unfair for students in contaminant zone because they are not able to give exam because they are living in contaminant zone, and the students who are not living in contaminant zone are able to give exams. The two discrimination between the two students, partiality तर होत नाही आहे ना सर या दोघांमध्ये. So what you want to say to these students?
Aniket, the students living in containment zone and students who are not living in containment zone, there are two categories. There, the same category applies to students who have prepared for the examination and students who have not prepared for the examination. Means just to protect the student from the containment zone, we cannot deny the rights of students who have done preparations and who are also living in non-containment zone. So I don't think there is any partiality or any discrimination. Had the institute taken a decision to go ahead with 100% examination or to drop in examination in entirety, then the situation we can say there is a discrimination. So now institute has taken a balanced call. The whosoever want to appear can appear, whosoever does not want to appear need not to appear, can have exams in November attempt.
So there is one more doubt in the students that take my situation. I am an old student, old course student. There is an attempt of group 2. Last attempt was in May, so that was shifted to July August. So sir, in case in bad situation, if I fail in that examination, so will I get another chance to appear in November again?
Definitely, you will get a chance to appear in November attempt again, because this unprecedented situation has caused institute to take unprecedented decision also. So the student who is going to fail in this attempt shall get one more attempt of old syllabus in November attempt. There is no doubt about that. I have spoken with few central council members and they have confirmed with this.
Okay. One more question extended to the previous question was that if one student have exemption in a subject and he has already appeared for the 2 times in that exemption, and there was a last time he was having a chance to appear in this July August exam. Unfortunately, he not able to take up that exam also. So will he be able to give the November exam carrying that exemption?
Exactly. He will be or she will be carrying that exemption. There is no doubt about that. The exemption shall also be get carried forward.
Okay, so this is a great relieving news for the old syllabus and the students who are also having exemption, because the tension among various friends, my friend group, was regarding this issue, regarding the old syllabus and regarding the exemption. So even if you appear in this exam and if you fail, you can appear in this November exam carrying forward your old syllabus and also your exemption. तो अभी आपकी सिचुएशन अगर सही रहेगी सिटी में, इफ योर सिचुएशन इज राइट, यू आर वेल प्रिपेयर्ड, नो डाउट यू आर वेल प्रिपेयर्ड, we believe in you all, so you should give the exam in August, July, if your situation is right at your home, in your colony and at your city. And afterwards you have to rethink, opt out for this exam. According to me, after talking to sir, I have been cleared that if the situation in Aurangabad, we can give an exam, and if it does not, the situation is not right, we can go in November. There is no doubt and there is no ambiguity in that, and there is no confusion, because after every May, sir, as
There
you
is
always
November.
say, after every May there is November, and after every November there is May. ऐसे नहीं होने वाला है, आपका पूरा साल बर्बाद होने वाला है, 6 महीने जाने वाले हैं, and you can do lots of stuff. You can follow your passion, you can do studies, you can learn new things on YouTube, on our channel, and also be connected with sir. If any problem is there, you can mail him, you can contact him on his Twitter handle. Sir, आपका Twitter handle?
CA Rohan actually.
CA Rohan Achia, sir. You can contact him on that. He is very student friendly and he is always there for students. If any queries, you can tweet him on his Twitter ID. And obviously, I'm always there with you all. You can contact me on Instagram ID, on my Twitter ID, on my YouTube profile. You can comment down below. And थोड़ा सा भी आपको ये वीडियो में कंफ्यूजन दूर हुआ होगा तो प्लीज लाइक करिए और शेयर करिए आपके दोस्तों के साथ जो अभी कंफ्यूज है एग्जाम देने के लिए. अगर अभी भी आपको कुछ डाउट है तो कमेंट डाउन बिलो. वी विल टॉक more, we will discuss more regarding the exams and regarding your situation, and we will find out some situation. आपण इथेच व्हिडिओला थांबूया. We will end this video right now, and thank you so much sir for giving your valuable time for students.